Alright guys, I really wanted to make a video. It's the last day of the decade, okay? I missed this. I missed doing this when I was 4 on December 31st, 2009, okay? I couldn't have possibly done this back then. So I'm going to do this now. I'm finally going to make a video at the end of the decade. I mean, look, how else am I supposed to cash in on all the views? So I'm going to do it. I'm going to make the last video of this decade. Hey, don't give me that look. I tried my best, okay? Tried my best. But anyways, I just want to end this video with Happy New Year, Happy New Decade, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Well, actually, before I end this video, I didn't get all the code. Like, I didn't make it all by myself. I did get some help from the internet, so I got it from this one website called DannyWeb.com by the user VegaSeat. But the actual code, the actual program was made by me.